unbox some hand-dyed yarn with me. Eee. So I won some goodies in a giveaway from lovely Nicola of A Little Craft Room, and I thought I would show you on camera. I've had a quick look, but I haven't properly had a dig yet. Haven't opened everything yet. Should we look inside? It was a giveaway where you'd win one of her patterns. She's a fellow designer. And some hand-dyed India yarn to make it, and the colours looked amazing. Eee. So there's a lovely note from Nicola. That's really sweet. Little thank you note. And there's the yarn. There's something else that I wasn't expecting. That's cool. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. The yarn is by Kosy Kitchen Fibres, who hand dye this in Devon. I'm going to just open it and have a proper look. And the colour I picked was Autumn Berries. And the pattern is a crochet beret with a gorgeous sort of textured flower on it. And that's going to be for me, a little treat for me. Kosy Kitchen Fibres, lovely stuff. I'm going to see if I can find them on socials. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's a superwash merino silk, 50% wool blend, 50% silk. Oh my gosh. Autumn Berries. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh. Ah. Stunning. It's like pinky purples, warm tones, almost red at one end. It looks like a DK weight. Oh, it says 4-ply. Okay. It's sort of a bigger 4-ply. Suggested needle size 2.5 to 4mm. So it does kind of, I wonder what I haven't had the pattern through yet, but I wonder what the hook size is. They'll match, but yeah, interesting. Ooh. Oh, it's gorgeous. And then there's something else in here. She says a tension ring. Oh my gosh. So there's another little box inside. I don't know if I'm going to be able to open this without scissors, without ruining my nails. I'm going to have to grab scissors. Oh my gosh. Very exciting. It's this little bit of washi tape that I can't quite get through. And I've just had my nails done, so oh gosh. There we go. Oh, I've opened it. Let's show you first. Oh my gosh, there's some sweets in there as well. You know what? When I went to the Southwest Stitch Fest last summer, I wonder if she was the lady who was there, and I was looking at her rings, actually, tension rings. I've never tried one. Some Parma Violets in there. I actually love these. I know they're quite love or hate. Oh, let's see. It's in a little bit of bubble wrap. So it's Dawn Gill. I'm not sure whether it's Dawn Gill or Jill, spelt with a G. And it's in a tiny, I mean, good things come in organza bags, am I right? Oh my gosh. They are on socials as well. I'm going to find them. Not sure if they're on TikTok, but beautifully packed in some pretty paper. Oh my gosh. I've never tried a tension ring before, so this is exciting. I'll have to report back. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got snowflakes on it. I don't know if you can see. That's really sweet. So your yarn goes through there to keep your tension even. Wow, it's printed with little snowflakes, and it's got a little hallmark, so it must be real silver. That is amazing. I feel very spoilt. Thank you so much, Nicola, for the lovely giveaway. I'm thrilled to have won. This has made my January, to be honest, and I can't wait to hook your beautiful beret. Amazing.